Nalibat na rin yun. Mikalop, shout out guys! Pasok at tayo magkantahan guys. Happy Sunday. Ay, wala palang pamagat yung akin.
No more photos. What a scam!
Teacher, this is true.
Can you borrow that
Wala palang
2,000 to
20.
10,000 pesos with low interest and quick turnaround?
Can't be with you tonight.
May mo na lang yung yan. Pag may doon ka sana sa YouTube.
Dragon Gaming, hello! Mikalop, shout out! Happy Sunday! How are you, Dragon Gamer? If my love once here with me tonight, good and good, yes, Dragon, I would live with you for just a little while. But I love you the same way as I love you now.
Hindi ka makabulong. Hindi ka maririnig.
Sorry, I can't be with you tonight. But I want to hold you in my arms tonight. I would take the chance to speak one tear. Maybe we met again some other time. I'm Road to Bukintay on my channel. But tonight, I only share my love with him. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. Mark Martinez, nagkagalap siya lang. I could be in two places at the same time. Salamat Mark, salamat. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Sakada sa amin ang vlog ha, Mark. Kaya kung naka-springer sa akin ako, pakitin na lang kita. Salaram ka mo, hello, migalog sarap. Thanks for coming. Shout out sa'yo, salaram ka na. So please, saan yung bear? Wala na. Wala ang bear mark eh. Situation. I love you. Say so, di wala ko, may shout out mo eh. Happy Sunday. If I could be in two places at the same time, Believe me, I will share my love with you. Sino yan? Nicolog shout out. Happy Sunday everyone. Believe me, I will share my love with you. Tyson, kumusta na Tyson? Believe me, I will share my love with you. Believe me, I will share my love with you. Wala tayong palakpak kay walang biit eh. Naglulok ang aking biit. Saya Mark, naka-streamer ako eh. Naka-akyat ka na. Kasama tayo. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda. Di na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mong may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko di ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Kaya nga yawaring gulong-gulong ang puso ko't isipan. Araw-gabi ay pangarap ka, sa tuwin ay nababalisa. Dahil ba ang puso ko'y labis nang umibig sa'yo, hanggang kailan magtitiis ilihin ang pag-ibig ko. Noong gagawin sa utos ng damdamin, para bang hangin kay hirap pigilin. Sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y balik. Nais ko malaman mo na iniibig kita. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan. Salamat ka, Mark, ang iyong ganda. At hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mong may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Anong gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para bang hangin kay hirap pigilin. Sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y balik. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. Thank you so much, Mark Martinez. Kaya tayo magawa, Mark. Walang bartiran. May ganito na lang. May magkaptang na pag nalalay. Boring din kasi pag walang bartiran. May ganito na lang. Kanta-kanta na lang muna. Di baling may copyright. You touch my life with the softness in the night. My wish was your command until you run out of love. Tell myself I'm free, got the chance living just for me. No need to hurry on, know that you're gone. Night feels like a night. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night cuts like a knife. You got away the heart of my life. When I'm pretend, where a smile, my truth for the rest friend. I wonder if they know it's just a show. I'm on the stage, day and night. I go through my charade, but how can I disguise what's in my eyes? Night cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. Ooh. Oh, 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 I try, blocking out the pain I feel inside, the pain of wanting you. Night, just like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night feels like a knife. You got away the heart. Of my life. Jemar Vlogger, mega love shoutout. Arang po host, Tamsakdan. Ay, maraming salamat. Jemar, maraming salamat sa patamsak. Kanta-kanta lang Jemar, kaya wala naman tayo magawa. Bala. I don't know why you're so goodbye. Just let me know this didn't go forever, my love. Ano alam mo? Ha? Come again, you release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Maybe today I'll make you stay. I'll wait a while, this was our love together. For I wish you a place I know, and talk you wherever we could be happy forever. Never knew that we could go so far when you let me on that boulevard. Come again and you release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Never knew that we could go so far when you let me on that boulevard. Come again and you release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Ano yung papel na yun, no? Sa ibabaw ng bigasan.
Ano yan, kalendar?
She knows when I learn some. She cries when I'm sad. She's up and a good time. She's down the bed. Whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. But then she doesn't know about you. I can tell her my troubles. She makes them always right. I can make up excuses not to hold her at night. We can talk up tomorrow. There are things that I want to do, but how can I tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything's alright whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? Send me song, Nicolab siya lahat. Sipag naman, kaya like ko nga lang eh. Sipag agad. I don't miss her. Salamat sa pagpunta, Tina. Whenever I'm away, how can I say it's so I think of every single night and day. But when it's easy telling someone we're true other, help me tell her about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything's alright whenever I'm with you. Oh girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? Turn me loose from your hands. Let me fly high to the sunlight. over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers and forest fountains, home along the lanes of the skyway, for this dark and lonely road, project a shadow fast and low, and my eyes are mirrors of the world outside, thinking of the way that the wind can turn to dye. The black club shut, good afternoon, to green. Kanta-kanta lang vlog. Just this skyline again, dreaming of the open, waiting for the day when he can spread his wings, fly away again, fly away. Skyline pigeon fly, was the dream you left so very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon fly, was the dream you left so very far behind. Oh, wala magawa eh. The full warning, to let it cry, to live and die. Wala tayong barter. Wala nang barter. I wanna hear the pealing bell of the sunset sings, but most of all, please free me from the chemical rain. Oh, open out this cage toward the sun. Boring na mag-live pag wala kang walang barteran. Kaya, idanda na muna natin sa kanta-kanta. Ang tinatao ngayon yung mga magpapanil-panil yung mga tinatao na ngayon. Uling ko ngayon eh. Kaya ano muna tayo. Fly away, skyline pigeon fly, towards the dreams you left so very far behind. Nakaway ko eh, nakalimutan ko na anong oras. Buti ka, busy ka sa YT, hindi mo napabayaan yung YT mo. Akin napabayaan mo ng halos kulang-kulang isang taon na. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-live yun. Ngayon pag walang sariling wifi, idol, hindi ka makapokus ng live or gabi-gabi.
Ay siksik sa vitamin C.
Tulad dati na talaga naka-maintain talaga yung live. Buti ka pa rin ano yata, tara live, araw-araw kaya galing. Huwag pabayaan ng white idol. Ay kaligayahan natin, white idol. Gusto ka aking mahal, sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Huwag mong intindihin, nakakaraos din. Nagabi na panglakay, dinadaan sa wiki, nalulungkot kong damdamin, naaaliw na rin. Panaginip ko'y laging ikaw, sinta. Kahit na dilat na rin mata, kahit na malayo ka, parang kapiling ka, mahal. Kumusta ka? Lalim na itong gabi, malamig ang simoy ng hangin, umayayakap lamang kita. Lamig ay di darma, panaginip ko'y laging ikaw, sinta. Kahit na dilat ka rin mata, kahit na malayo pa'y parang kapiling ka, mahal. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Di wag mong intindihin, nakakaraos din. Kumusta ka, aking mahal?
Scientists have rejuvenated the skin cells taken from a 53-year-old woman, making them...
Sis, Paul, magalap na guys. Tayo moderator na na. BTS. Magalap siya. Transport ka na. Forever. The message is held for you. Message. Nakapalo na po pala ako dati sa'yo. O ano, kasi alam ko matagal pa tayo nagbikitan. Dahil kan lagi siguro sa live ko napupunta eh. Tagal na tayo nagdikit CCS. Bibol ka na. BRB ko, yes po. Oo. Tagal na ulit, tagal na. Kumusta ang waiting mo, SSC? May channel ba yan, SSC na yan? I saw you open. Ano kung bang lema SEC? Para mapasara mo kita pagka hindi ako busy. May FB page ka ba, SEC? O CCS ka na. CCS. BRB ko.
Sensya na, hindi kita nakita doon. Ano to?
Ito.
First night together feels like the first kiss. It's getting better, baby. No one can beat on this. So holding on, you're still the one. First time more I slip, some feeling I get only feel much stronger when I love you longer. Just to turn the fire on. If you're feeling lonely, done. You're the only one, everyone. The only one to make it good. So if I love you, I do more than I should. Please forgive me. No, not what I do. Please forgive me. Can't stop loving you. Don't deny me. Pain I'm going through. Please forgive me. I need you like I do. Please believe me. Every word I see is true. Please forgive me. Can't stop loving you. Still feels like our best time together. Feels like the first time. Still getting closer, baby. Can we get closer now? Still holding on. You're still number one. Smell of steel. I remember everything. I remember all your moves. I remember you, yeah. I remember the nights you know still do. If you're feeling lonely, don't. You're the only one, I ever want. I only want to make it good. So if I love you, I will do more than I should. Please forgive me, no, not what I do. Please forgive me, can't stop loving you. Don't deny me, pain I'm going through. Please forgive me, if I need you like I do. Oh, believe me, every word I see is true. Please forgive me, can't stop loving you. One thing I'm sure of, so we will make love. Ano yun? Kamote? Kamote? Hello, yata yun. Yun daw. Kamote na yun.
Binit-bit ko kanina nung wala ako.
Hello, totoo po ba na pwedeng mag-loan dito? Oo, ma'am. Mayroon kaming 24-hour customer service na tutulong sa iyo. Magkano ba ang kailangan mong hiramin?
Gusto ko po sana mag-loan ng 20,000 pesos.
Sige po, ma'am.
I followed the most bar down to Gory Park, listening to the wind of change. An August summer night, soldiers passing by, sing to the wind of change. Hindi pa na puno. Hindi na puno. The world is closing in, and did you ever think? Ha? Ha? Ano? Ano lang? Ano lang mo?
Tuloy ulit.
Sabili. Sabili naman. Reklamo ko yan doon. Wala bang dagdagan? Wala bang dating bigas dyan? Ano naman yan?
Kasi ko kanina nakaano sa akin.
The wind of change will swing into the face of time, like a storm in the field. I feel something inside me. Let your but I can sing what my guitar wants to sing. Take me to the magic of the moment on the glowy night. We the children of tomorrow dream away on the wind of change. Take me to the magic of the moment on the glowy night. We the children of tomorrow dream away on the wind of change.
Wow, pang-aura!
Looking for something? Try Shopee Image Search. Mas pinag...
Bawa akong kedua buka ako lang. Taray kumuti taray no. The time for us. I'm still loving you. Still loving you. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, baba. Hello, hello, baba. Baba na.
Miss, please, let me some money.
Baba, taxi. Baba dyan.
Baba, katayo ubong bahay ka na mo.
Baba, taxi, baba. Baba. Arrived at 7. The place is good. No time to party today. First 11. The time is good. Back to the hotel. I call your number, the line is free. I like to tell you, come to me. A night without you, tonight I was dream. Oh, I can't tell you how I feel. Always somewhere, wish you were there. I'll be back to love you again. Always somewhere, wish you were there. I'll be back to love you again. Wait a minute. What? Another morning, another place. The only day off is far away. But every city I see is me in the air. And bring me to you again. Always somewhere, wish you were right there. I'll be back to love you again. Always somewhere, wish you were right there. I'll be back to love you again. Ano? karin na yun eh. Mamay na. Kumain. Lagyan mo ng ano, yung sakalang kung kalang.
Nakaulit si Stephen Jen.
Gana.
Ano ang huling numero ng iyong cellphone? May mga katanungan. Buksan ito at enter ang phone number para masubukan.
Meron 30,000!
Ano ang huling numero ng iyong
Hello.
cellphone?
Tanungan?
Buksan ito. Ulit na ako.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Just when you make your way back home, I find someone to be alone. I got to see the place once more. Just like a thousand nights before, I climb the stage again this night, 'cause the place is still alive when the smoke is going down. This is the place where I belong. I really love to turn you on. Got your sound still in my ear. While your faces disappear, I climb the stage again this night, 'cause the place is still alive when the smoke is going down. Climb the stage again this night, 'cause the place is still alive and the smoke is going down. When the smoke is going down, when the smoke is going down.
Huy, naghahanap ka ba ng hihiraman online na safe at secure ang iyong personal details?
Init, kaya ba ng Falcon mo?
Baho!
Sa Downy,
Baho!
new Downy Antibac Spring Blossom. The only ones with Antibac plus floral freshness. 6 pesos lang.
Eden has a creamy taste and milk vitamins. Di tinitipid ang pagmamahal.
As we walk the golden mile down the pretty aisles, I know that you are mine. And there's nothing in this world that I know I wouldn't do to be near you every day, every hour, every minute. Take my hand and let me lead the way. All through your life, be by your side. Forget the worst part. Baby, I'll be your friend. My love would never end. Forget the worst part. When I wake up every day, that you're lying in my arms, I wonder if I dream on. When I look into your eyes, I just can't believe it's true, that my heart belongs to you. Baby, we can have it all. Girl, take my hand and let me lead the way. All through your life, I'll be by your side. Forget the worst part. Baby, I'll be your friend. My love will never end. Forget the worst part. There'll be good times, and there'll be bad. I will stand beside you, woman, all the way. And through the years, life was full of streets. The snow would fall, the winter nights keep you warm inside. Yeah, baby, I will. All through your life, to be by your side. Forget the worst part. Baby, I will be your friend. My love will never end. Forget the worst part. Yeah, baby, I will be there all through your life. Be by your side. Ma'am Kusina, gandang gabi. Thank you so much, Ma'am Kusina. Malay na bang kita, di? My love will never end. You'll get to us far. Yeah, baby, I'll be there. Baby, I'll be there all through your life. I know that you'll be there. Know that you'll be there, waiting for me. Nakaditdit mo tayo Manay Kusina. Know that you'll be there. Know that you'll be there. Waiting for me. Naaluluway man. Happy Sunday, Manay Kusina. Nag-test lamang ng kusina kang busis. Ano kaya itong picture na ito niya, may ritual? Heart daw, pa-heart, pa-like. Baka nag-grill na rin to, ano? Ami, nag-grill na rin ba si Rachel?
Hello po. Pwede pong magtanong, gaano katagal niyo na po ginagamit ang mobile phone number niyo? 3 taon.
Ano
Sa
nga?
mga 3 taon at mahigit na
Kuya.
mobile phone number.
Palik naman at pa-share.
Ha?
Palik naman at pa-share na.
Malamang nakuha niya
Ay,
na.
pa-heart, pa-like. Heart daw, pa-like.
Kasi ano, lahat na. Kasi baka nabuksan niya yung ano niya.
Nabigyan ko ano.
Baka nabuksan niya na yung kanya FB account. Kasi wala nakakaalam yun eh. Ako ba talaga na yun?
I'm unsailing. I'm unsailing. Home again. Cross the sea. I'm unsailing. Stormy water. To be near you. To be free. Hey. Ay, galing. I'm unsailing, slowly watching to be near you, to be free, every name, to be free, to be free. Malinis ko kay Baby. Friend sa palabay pintin ko. So, kala ko sige. Malito ako ko. Sorry ko din ako. Malito ako eh. Kala ko nito. Sakay ko. Ito friend ko. Waiting ko lang dapat. Saan?
Sa gym. 9 pesos. 60.
Kapag 60? Diba?
Paramoo Online Peso Cash.
Pero pagka kiss-kiss, ang phone
Install and go.
60.
Marami lang akong pera talaga.
Keeping her wasted, the one that is all the piano. Trying hard to look up the moments, morning I don't know. A survival of vodka still lurks in my head. Someone did you bring that mercy? It's still in my veins. I dream about movies who won't make of me and I'm dead. When I'm like this, wake up, Prince kiss this morning. Why somewhere this one keeps on hit my head where to sing about all the things that I long to believe, about love the truth you meant to me and I couldn't. Baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay down the bed of roses. For tonight I'll sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just so close as the Holy Ghost is, and lay you down on a bed of roses. When I'm so far away, keep that state is in my way home. Things face on the night, give each night to see to this faithful. Till I run out of time, it's hard to get up to the bird on the wire. I make back to you, I just close my eyes. And whisper, baby, I love you this true. I wanna lay you down the bed of roses. For tonight I sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as
Sa washing machine, kahit dalawang sachet ng powder,
May tinangman siya? May powder pa. Ay, powder?
mag-Ariel Power Gel. Tunaw agad at may better stain removal na walang tirang powder. Ariel Power Gel!
May tino na ayaw. He's gone! Umpisa pa nga lang, maliit na. Out of my mind, I was wrong. I'm to blame, I was so untrue. Can't live without her love. In my life, there's just emptiness. All dreams are lost, missing away. Lady, won't you bring me? Sa mga babae, kasi nga ito. Baga, tigsara na kay Jen na si Bongbong. Nakadugdugan na yung tigsara dito. Ha? Mapang pa sana. Oh, well, doon ito. Look, ha? Sinabi ko na dito. Ang buto naman pa ito. Ha? Nasa biyahe naman ito. Sa biyahe ito. Kung hindi ang biyahe, ito sa natin pagtambay. Ha? Diyan si Doa? Dapat ang kayo ito naman magkano? Dahil ko sa upuro kan, kalisay. Kayo na sa upuro. Bata garo muna, Makawat bo. Okay. Okay, takbo. Kawayan. Si Alpha? Si Alpha? Wala ko. Hindi ko na. Ano nga kasi yun? Si Alpha? Ako na, Masaya? Anong ganaw? Ganahon ko kasi, ano ko yung sabihin mo? Kaya mahal pa rin siya. Sige. Ano gusto ko niya? High school ko din. Ano sila nang naging mundo? Brasin ko. Kabayan naman kayo siguro mo. Siguro kapaligo. Mayroon ko sa... Dalayan mo siya. Ano ganun pa lang sa Rizal? Ano ganun? May sa litid. Nagtaruling kasi na kayo ko. Ito na pasok-pasok si Junior. Pusta. Puro tilamado.
Padarakula ka nga.
Leslie All-Purpose
Marami
Drink.
nga si Jumar namang gili. Kasi Jumar ang nagmanihan. Hindi, nag-iba sa bumunti.
Alam mo, ito si ito.
Jumar. Napataka lang si Inad. So, gusto kayo. Ako sa ugis, yung siya rin tumabuhi yung mga sa ugis. Sa pagganas. Sali, yung mga magbuhi ang talisay. Yan. Mabili ka? Kaya nga si Bruno, hindi ka rin karakay kayo tinanda naman. Karakay mo ito, pero sila, ito rin sila ito. Gusto nang gawin natin yung bang i-date ko. Hindi ko lang, hindi ko lang patuloy ko na. But then you came along to my surprise. So my heart before my very eyes. You took me right out of the blue. Simply to show me that you love me too. Day by day, you every time. Your love so true. You took me out of the blue. Make me out of the darkness. Meet me out in the sun.